Evaluating financial institutions often comes down to understanding the hidden costs, administrative penalties, and operational hurdles that can quietly erode hard-earned savings over time. When exploring modern digital banking platforms tailored for specialized communities, transparency regarding fee structures is an essential priority for account holders seeking long-term financial stability and growth. Among digital-first banking options, Roger Bank, a platform specifically designed by military members for U.S. military personnel, veterans, and their families, has drawn significant attention for its distinct approach to consumer banking services. A primary consideration for anyone looking to establish an account is whether the institution imposes maintenance fees, minimum balance penalties, or unexpected service charges on its high-yield savings products. Examining the core fee framework of Roger Bank savings accounts reveals a structural absence of traditional banking charges. Traditional financial institutions frequently leverage monthly maintenance fees, paper statement fees, and penalties for failing to maintain a specified daily ledger balance. Roger Bank operates differently by eliminating monthly account maintenance fees entirely. Account holders are not required to pay a recurring subscription or maintenance costs simply to keep their savings profile active and accessible. This structure ensures that accumulated interest and principal balances remain entirely protected from administrative deductions that commonly afflict standard retail banking products. Furthermore, another frequent friction point in consumer banking involves minimum balance requirements. Many commercial banks enforce rigid thresholds, requiring customers to maintain hundreds or thousands of dollars in their savings accounts at all times to avoid financial penalties or drops in interest tier yields. Roger Bank addresses this by imposing no minimum balance fees and requiring no minimum opening deposit for its savings accounts. Users can start small, build their financial reserves incrementally, and organize their capital using digital tools like virtual savings goal folders without worrying about penalty assessments if their balance fluctuates downward during tight financial months. Additional considerations often involve auxiliary banking penalties, such as overdraft fees or non-sufficient funds charges, which can unintentionally cascade across linked accounts. While savings accounts primarily function as repositories rather than transactional hubs, the integrated ecosystem of Roger Bank, which requires an accompanying checking account to maximize features and yield, similarly strips away these punitive costs. The institution maintains a zero-fee philosophy regarding overdrafts and non-sufficient funds across its ecosystem, providing an extra layer of consumer protection. While the direct fees associated with holding and maintaining a Roger Bank savings account are entirely absent, prospective account holders must evaluate the structural prerequisites of the platform. Accessing the high-yield savings features and competitive annual percentage yields requires opening and pairing the savings product with a primary Roger Bank checking account. Because the ecosystem is digitally native, managed through online portals and mobile applications backed by partner institutions like Citizens Bank of Edmond, users benefit from fee-free digital money movement tools, automated roundup savings match programs, and streamlined military-ready direct deposits without hidden brokerage or administrative overhead. Ultimately, the fee transparency of specialized digital platforms reflects the broader shift in consumer banking toward reducing predatory overhead charges. By stripping away monthly maintenance costs, opening deposit barriers, and minimum balance penalties, options like Roger Bank enable military service members and veterans to focus entirely on capital accumulation and financial readiness. Reviewing the current terms directly through official channels before application ensures absolute clarity on variable rate tiers and any updates to institutional policies.